We have a school here just beside the place we are staying, and every morning at what time is it?
7:30.
At 7:30 they start singing some kind of really like weird, like interesting song. Take a listen. Sounds like something from Squid Games, but no idea what they are singing. If you know what it is, let us know. Good morning. So we came to return our scooter now. We are leaving Veligama and going to another town, and just waiting for the boss to come to settle the balance. You can also rent a tuk-tuk here. I think it's just a little bit more expensive, maybe like $8 or $10 per day, which is still super cheap, and you can travel like 1, 2, 3 people easily with luggage. Cool. There are 2 options to go, well, 3 options, well, plenty of options to go with the train or with the bus or with the taxi or with the tuk-tuk. So we decided to go with the bus. They're quite exotic here and a little bit crazy, but we'll see how it goes. Should be very cheap though. I'm going to the bus station now, but you see walking here is not great really. No footpath, so it's much nicer to be on scooter. So that's our bus station. Veligama. Yes. 200 rupees per person, which is like 50-60 euro cent for quite a long ride. Pretty cheap. Welcome to Galle. We'll quickly find our accommodation, check in, and then we'll go out for a little walk to look around. So that's our nice little room. Air conditioned, everything, small backyard, bathroom, shower with super strong water pressure. The Wi-Fi is not great, but at least water pressure is good. So let's go for a walk. So that's our accommodation, and we just went outside and noticed this place, Coconut Sambal, some homemade, home-cooked curry stuff. So it's time for lunch and we are hungry, and let's try.
75% of honey, and the rest is like spices and lime and all the stuff there. And this is pumpkin trickle, dal with cinnamon, and cabbage curry fried, and the roasted coconut with lime, and the organic chicken is omelette. Please enjoy your food. Wow.
That's fantastic.
Eat as much as you like.
Ah, brilliant. So authentic. Look at the plate. It's amazing. And I already tried a couple of spoons. Taste is amazing, it's fantastic. And we also ordered some homemade ginger beer. Oh guys, what an amazing food. We had 3 plates. Went to refill and refill again. All you can eat for 1,850 rupees, which is €5 and a bit, 5.20. And the ginger ale is another €1.20 or something. But it's so good. Everywhere you go in Sri Lanka, every new place, is better than the previous one, and they're all just amazing. And of course the hospitality. We met the chef who cooks all the food and the owner, and they're all amazing people. Really cool. Old town of Gol, and it's like old fort built by Portuguese and then finished off by Dutch. And that's the whole map. I'm here at the moment at this gate, and we are staying somewhere here, I think. So Portuguese started building this fort city in 16th century, and then Dutch finished it off in the 17th century. And it looks super European, everything. I think they built it from scratch probably. So that's the walls of the fort, loads of cannons and everything. Some nice Dutch church, but it's closed at the moment. It was open when we arrived, but well, it took a while for us to finish those 3 plates full of food, so it closed. There's another church there. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful.
I can give
We
good
have
price.
so many of them.
Yeah, but no, they're different. Dutch coins,
How much?
different prices. You can choose which one you like it. You can sit and look here. It's American dollar here.
Uh-huh.
Which one you like it?
I don't know.
Elephant coins.
Uh-huh. It's Sri Lankan.
Yes. No, the British and the British.
British with elephants?
Yeah, Ceylon government. You see?
Ah, okay.
It's Australia one.
So I still ended up buying 1 coin. 1802. With elephant. Ceylon government. Some 48 something rupees or cents. I don't know what it was, but just to remember Sri Lanka. Yeah, it was pretty expensive. I managed to negotiate it to 5,000 rupees, which is, yeah, probably overpaid 50 times, but it's just a souvenir, so I think it's fine. There you go, and that's Maritime Museum. Also closed. What time is it now? It's 5:30, so everything's probably gonna be closed now. All the visiting places, but just to see the vibe. And this one also closed. No photo, no video. Mercantile Bank. All buildings are, they look from the same period, the same design. Dutch or Portuguese, I don't know exactly which one is which, but feels really, really European. Like some kind of Portuguese small old town, or Dutch. There's something about gems here. I think they have a lot of them. They mine them here, probably somewhere in Sri Lanka, because everywhere in all cities there are so many gemstone shops.
You have the diagram.
This is nice, like a town square. I think there's like a court, high court or something. That's some kind of court, another administration building. It's like a huge square in the middle, and they are playing cricket. A police barracks, 1927. They all look like movie kind of props, movie decorations. Hi. Aurora Bastion. It's a small one. And that's probably the icon of the town, Utrecht Bastion. Built by Dutch, blah blah blah. But this one usually on all the postcards and everything. Gol lighthouse constructed by the government factory 1939. Looks awesome with those coconut palms. One more church, no, not a church, a mosque. It has some Arabic writings there. But looks like it might have been converted from a church. But I think majority of population here in this, at least in Fort area, are Sri Lankan Muslim. So there should be more mosques here than churches. Ah, that's our street. Church Street. Nice little beach in the corner. I think there are a few of them around this fort. A nice clean water as well. And very warm. Leftovers of something. Lloyd's Naval Signal Station. It's a bit destroyed, not sure. Is it just time or was it the tsunami? So in 2004, December 26th, there was a huge tsunami. Tens of thousands of people died in India, Sri Lanka, and everywhere around. And the south coast was pretty much destroyed by tsunami. But I'm not sure about the fort area. I think it was kind of okay because of these big walls of the fort itself. It's a nice walk around the walls of the fort. In the city, it's not so much. The roads are narrow, and I don't think there are footpaths. You just go on the road and compete for the space with tuk-tuks and cars and scooters. But here is really nice. And another bastion. This one's big. This one's huge. another 3D map. So I'm here now. That was the map at the entrance at the gate. So I went all the way down there and then back all the way here. And here's another. It's called Moon Bastion with a tower, clock tower, or tower clock. The clock is not running though. Both sides show different times. Moon Gallery. Some sculptures. And there's a gallery inside, but it's closed. So that's it. It's getting dark and I'm going back home to continue digesting my lunch. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.